Benjamin Mendy has had his High Court bankruptcy case dismissed after he paid a £700,000 tax bill by selling off his Cheshire mansion where he held lockdown parties with girls. HM Revenue and Customs, HMRC, had sought a bankruptcy order against the former Manchester City footballer over the bill. At a hearing on Monday before a specialist insolvency judge, lawyers for the French defender said the outstanding sum of just under £710,000 had been paid. Louis Doyle Casey, for the footballer, said proceedings had been previously adjourned to allow for Mr. Mendy's sprawling mansion near Macclesfield, Cheshire, to be sold. The court heard the sum had not yet reached HMRC, but after receiving undertakings from lawyers, Chief Insolvency and Companies Court Judge Nicholas Briggs dismissed the bankruptcy proceedings against Mr. Mendy. Judge Briggs said, "In the circumstances, there is nothing left in this petition. I shall accept the undertaking. I shall dismiss the petition with costs." Mr. Doyle said in response, "That order marks the end of these proceedings." "That's correct," Judge Briggs replied. Earlier on Monday, the High Court in London was told that Mr. Mendy, 29, owes less than £5,000 in council tax to Cheshire East Council. However, Mr. Doyle said he was confident the debt would be paid promptly, adding that Mr. Mendy won't have picked up post and won't have realised he's in debt to the Borough Council as he has been away from the property. At a hearing in February, the court heard that Mr. Mendy was bringing legal action against his former club for £10 million after Manchester City stopped paying him when he was charged with rape in 2021. The footballer was cleared of 6 counts of rape and 1 count of sexual assault in January 2023 after a trial at Chester Crown Court. He was then cleared of 1 more count of rape and attempted rape in July after a retrial at the same court. The trial heard Mendy, who joined City in 2017, had a hard partying lifestyle, clubbing 2 or 3 times a week as well as inviting numerous young women to his home and frequently having sex with more than one on the same night. His lifestyle was an open secret among colleagues. Some of the parties which led to the offences Mendy was charged with took place while he was being treated for a knee injury between October and November 2020 and in breach of COVID rules which were then in place. Giving evidence in court, Mendy, who spent time in prison on remand after being charged, said, "I was enjoying the house, I was enjoying the women." Mr. Doyle told the short hearing that Mr. Mendy did not previously have the money immediately available to pay the tax debt, adding that his salary for French club Lorient is about 1/10 of his previous wage. Mr. Mendy had originally put his property up for sale for £5 million, but was forced to slash the price by £750,000 in a desperate bid to sell up and pay HMRC. The stunning 11,000 square foot home features a cinema room, football pitch and swimming pool. The Cheshire home in the village of Mottram St Andrew was described by estate agent Sables as one of the finest contemporary homes in Cheshire. The amazing 11,000 square feet residence is set in over 1.75 acres of grounds and boasts 6 bedroom suites, an open plan living area, games room, home cinema, swimming pool, steam room, gym and spa. Among the highlights are an enormous principal bedroom suite with a vaulted bedroom area, a fitted dressing room and a large ensuite bathroom. The property was bought by Mendy from cricketing legend Andrew Flintoff in 2018 for £4.8 million. Flintoff, who never lived at the house, bought it for £1.8 million in 2008 and spent 2 years rebuilding the property before renting it out. His tenants included former footballer Peter Crouch and wife Abby Clancy. The house is in one of the most exclusive roads in Cheshire.